just 1 minute of courage can change your entire life. So hello, hi, good morning, namaste to one and all sitting here. My name is Harshita Parchani, standing before you to speak about a wonderful topic that will be given by our respected judges.
Okay, so we decided the topic is importance of education. Okay.
Yes.
An educated man can rule the world better than an uneducated man. I am not saying that an uneducated man cannot rule the world. Our Prime Minister is that person who is ruling the world. But an educated man can rule the world better because he knows the policies, rules, how to apply it, how to make it from developing to develop. An educated man is a person who knows everything to what to do, what is right for the country and what is not right for the country. He makes the decision wisely. Education is the key of success. We all know that. If we talk about what education is important for our life or not, yes, the education is very important for our life. Education can make you a better person, a good person. Even an uneducated man is a better person. But the way of talking, the way of speaking, the way of expressing thoughts of an educated person is more better than an uneducated person. And in the last, I want to say that an education play a very important role. Every child, every person, everyone should be educated and must take education. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Okay, yes. Questions, please.
यस हर्षिता एक्चुअली जो रूरल इन्वायरमेंट का एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, डू इट गिव मी सम आइडियाज टू इम्प्रूव दैट?
So I think that the education of rural system is not just better. It means the city education is much better than rural education. If we want to develop it, the government should improve the quality of government educations. Should improve the infrastructure facility, the hygiene facilities, and the quality of teachers. As we all know that the government teachers are highly educated than the private teachers, but still they are working hard. But we feel like they are working lazy because most of the students, they think they are from Hindi medium, they are from poor family. What they want to educate, what the meaning of education they don't know. So they teach them like if what the education meaning is, they don't know, though the life is easy for them. The girls who are not educated will marry in early age in rural areas. Because of that, we can improve it through seminars, webinars, through government policies, or through investments in there.
Harshita, my question is कि actually what does education really mean? Does it mean having degrees and degrees, or it means something else?
No, sir. No, ma'am. It's not mean that having degrees or having the qualifications. It means that the values that our parents give to us in the home, it's also a part of education. If an educated person has not that much of values, then they will talk rubbish things in the society and give false lesson in the society. So the real meaning of education is that giving values, giving good things, and giving if a person is honest and disciplined, then it is also a part of education, not only the degrees and qualifications.
What is the one thing that you will change in our education system?
So, ma'am, if I get a chance to change one thing in the education system, so I will change the education of government students, because they are not getting that much better education. Because in private schools, the parents pay the high fees till they get the education. Like, I'm personally talking about me. I have educated 13 years in the school. Still, I don't know the proper English sentence. That's why I have joined Persona. So if I get a chance, I will change the government schools as well as the private school system and get the better teachers there who will teach the students the personal life lessons, also the English.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Harshita.